Hey guys, it's Trapper Tony here, and we've just completed this call at this residential location. This call had a mother raccoon and kits in the backyard setup. So the homeowner started to see movement and also hear some little chitters, like kitten-like noises coming from the tarped area. They called us right away. We completed our inspection. We found one mother raccoon and 4 kits underneath. It's common for mother raccoons to produce up to 8 kits, but in this instance, we have 4 healthy kits for relocation. Dealing with raccoons, especially pregnant or nursing raccoons, such as this case, it's very important to be very careful and humane when handling the animals. We were able to successfully snare the mother with this catch pole and place her in this transfer cage for relocation. Once we had the mother secured in the cage for relocation, we were able to successfully capture the 4 baby raccoons, also known as kits. This is especially critical for humane reunification with mother and kids. It's very critical that we keep these raccoon kits with their mother when relocating them. They're completely dependent on their mother until they're big enough to thrive on their own. We've isolated a nice green space here where there's access to food, shelter, and even water. She'll be able to raise these young and teach them how to be independent on their own. In the end, the homeowner gets peace of mind that we've handled these animals professionally, relocated them off their property, securing their location. Here, this mother raccoon and her kits have a second chance in a better environment. If you think you're dealing with any wildlife on your property, especially in covered areas like sheds, decks, or porches, it's always best to act early before these kits arrive. Be sure to handle all animals humanely and in a professional manner.
Trapper Tony's first move, finding them the perfect comfy waiting spot at the base of this tree. It's the ultimate outdoor nursery while they wait for mom. Now for the main event. Trapper Tony carefully opens the door and out steps mom. She's a bit unsure at first, but it's been a long day for her too. After all, they're nocturnal animals and they should be sleeping right now. She's cautiously scouting. She's measuring every scent and sound, ensuring the coast is clear for her precious kids. Instead of grabbing them right away, she decides to head for the high ground. She's scouting for a new home up in the trees, waiting for us to be out of sight before she gets her babies to their new home. Once it's quiet, she'll be back to lead her family into the next chapter, teaching them how to climb, forage, and be independent raccoons. Another successful day for Trapper Tony and the team at Pest Protection Plus.